there's actually not that much I can do. Keep in mind the raw sewage is mixed in with the water in front of you, bro. That is a good, I do like that, thank you. Don't kill your phone. I haven't, it's on a charger. It's a...
Yeah. So let's see if we can get some better shots here. Alright. Phone's getting wet. Sorry, I gotta get the water out. This is I think the Northwest. It's by Reliant. Or just stay under the porch and prevent your phone soaking. That's a good point. I should have done that. But you know, Scope wants to see what the Scope needs. Sun's about to come make some vines. Don't drop it in the water. It's waterproof. Okay, thanks. Drink your Ovaltine. Careful of zapping yourself with the charger. Charger's safe. Oh, my bad. Okay, family, Dixon and Concern, do you have an escape plan? No, actually I don't. I get on the roof? Maybe? I would say till 7. Is Domino still delivering? They might be, I don't know. Someone has like a Ford truck. You should do that, right? I should call Domino's and see if they deliver pizza. Huh? 1-story home? It's 2. It's pretty high, actually. Oh, and we just got the house repainted, so that kind of sucks. It's not bad. No, actually, we're not. We're not even a mile toward a bayou. It's closer than out. It's like 0.5. It's like right after that street over there. There's a bayou. Get a bag with food and water. Waterproof trash bag. Ooh, smart. They just announced an airport closed there till Wednesday. So you're saying I can't leave Houston? How would I even get out of here? Peeps are already having to evacuate from second floor apartments. That's upsetting. Yeah, no, yeah, it's rising. Okay, so it was there? Oh, you can't see it. Here's what I'll do. I'm gonna go get a flashlight for you guys, okay? A lot of people want rooms. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my flashlight. Stop scooping and charge your phone in case I am charging my phone right now. And I have like, you'll see my setup. So many drug addicts going to die for their jobs simply because not doing this. Oh, it's raining so bad. People can't ask. It's really personal. I have 4 computers. Actually, I have 6 computers. Alright, we're going back. It says, are the what? Let's see. Yeah, I know. I'll fix the signal. Hold on. Hey, is the stream clear? Is it fast? Because if it's not fast, I'll just restart it. I say till. Oh, it's coming up. Wait. Hold on. Yeah, shit is coming down. Go now. Go where? I'm streaming. It's right there. I can't even. Do you see that? I don't see that. Let me just turn the light on. Downtown is gonna be underwater bad. It's gonna be like the, Titanic. Dude, do you have 2 floors? We do have 2 floors. Dave, you think you can safely walk to the center of the road to see how far the water is from? The center of the road? I don't know, there's power. You know, there's electricity. I'll walk there. Yeah, I will. This is gonna destroy my stream. Pretty bad. Pretty intense. Oh my gosh. I am. Boy. Buzz. Damn. Like Jeff. Thanks. I guess. I know who that is. It's the rain. It's bad out there. Go for a swim. My phone went for a swim. No lie. Hold on, I gotta blow on the charging output. I can't see anything. I didn't realize that it was that bad. Yeah, it's coming down really hard. If your house is built like the blue shed, then you're good. Hey. Oh, here comes the scattered traffic are now talking birds to rescue. You have to stupid eyes to find it. Damn it. Where are the turtles? I have not seen a single. I've seen tons of frogs, no turtles. Breeze Bayou is just half a mile away from you. It really is. Yeah. And you know what the sad part is? In the morning, people are still going to be driving around. Dave, just wrap up your phone in a clear plastic so you can be more flexible walking around. That's actually a really, really smart idea. I might do that. How does it look? Get me, Gator. I'll pay 2 grand. Deep gray underwater. I'm getting ants on it. I'll do that. Let me fix the scope because it seems to be the same picture all the time. Let me get a different view.